Виктория Александровна, 13 лет. Город Ухта, поселок Ярига. Николай Васильевич Гоголь. Записки сумасшедшего. Memoirs of a Madman. October 3rd. A strange occurrence has taken place today. I got up fairly late, and when Maura brought me my clean boots, I asked her how late it was. When I heard it had long struck 10, I dressed as quickly as possible. To tell the truth, I would rather not have gone to the office at all today, for I know beforehand that our department chief will look as sour as vinegar. For some time past, he has been in the habit of saying to me, "Look here, my friend, there is something wrong without your hand. You often rush about as though you were possessed. Then you make such confused abstracts of the documents that the devil himself cannot make them out. You write the title without any capital letters. You add neither the date nor the docket number. The long-legged scoundrel, he is certainly envious of me, because I sit in the director's workroom and mend his excellency's pens. In a word, I should not have gone to the office if I had not hoped to meet the accountant, and perhaps squeeze a little advance out of this scoundrel.